Emultiplicate yourself from mental slavery. None but one can free our mind. Want to seek paratonic energy. None of them can stop with this at time. Won't you help me sing the songs of freedom? It's all I ever have. Redemption song. Oh, long they shall kill our prophets. What? Bob Marley, the words of Bob Marley. Marcus Garvey said them not gonna know themselves. Jamaica people no wake up. Marcus Garvey said they don't not gonna know no self. Don't know back against the wall. For what reason, huh? For what reason? In a way, they say I look at argument and I look at woman check it up and run panic and make big comment and I say, boy, me I lick out on this and me I lick out on this. But Jamaica people come with reason. Hear this. In a Jamaica, you are locked down from 6 to 6. And then you have to stay 6 foot apart. You see Marcus Garvey words coming to pass. But who I go feel the prophecy? You see? That them say them head I go cut off and roll down King Street. Which one of them brown people here? Which one of them brown man here? You see, you know, so you love brown, you know, you forget about the black people, the darkness and the pigment that they have in their skin. First of all, when this coronavirus come up, when this coronavirus come into existence, we tell we say it can't live in a more than 23 degrees Celsius. Every human body, me even my own as me speaking to you, my body at 36.3 degrees Celsius. When I pass the thing in my party this morning. Jamaica people. Bob Marley said no, Marcus Garvey said, no Bob Marley said, Marcus Garvey said, we not gonna know ourselves until we're back against the wall. You see like the rest of them gone sleep. I wonder what go on in Jamaica. Jamaica people are what go on in Jamaica. This. You see the oxygen where you breathe out, you're not supposed to breathe in if you shit. If you desiccate or your doo-doo or your poo-poo or your shit, you're not supposed to eat it back. If you piss, you're not supposed to drink it back. So why when you breathe out the air, you're supposed to breathe it in back? Jamaica people, you know, wake up and see exactly where them Indian people are. Them not Indian, sorry, excuse me language, them brown people are. A plan to do to the nation of Jamaican people. Emultiplicate yourself from mental slavery. Yeah, all of the police them this, you know. All of the police them this, you know. Bob Marley didn't talk to the native people, you know. The Bob Marley they talk about the police them will have them family in the system. Bob Marley was talking to the police them will have them family inside the system. When him say emultiplicate yourself from mental slavery, no more one but I can free your mind. You know about you know, me not talk about us or we, you know, me not talk about no one but I can free your mind. Jamaica people, them lock on down from 6 to 6. 6 to 6. And then we stay 6 to 6. You see? I want to always hear say 6 to 3, 6 hours. I not call the name, you know. God me say, righteousness, prosperity over perishing. When you not hear them come up with that, say them a kill all of the damn them. Them a kill all of the damn them out of Jamaica. Them have a plan. Them lock down Vybz Kartel. Them have a plan. Them extradite Dodos. Them have a plan. And them do all different type of magic. Them have a plan. And then again, me nah hear nobody a come up on Facebook or no Instagram or nowhere at all. And a Jamaican say them condolence go out to none of the 9 people or the 10 people were dead out of a coronavirus. Me not see no crying, me not hear nobody the way that Jamaica was silent. So if Jamaica have 9 deaths, or we not hear the family member them talk about it. If Jamaica have 9 deaths, you see? Oh, we not hear none of the family member them Is it? I come out, come squeal and talk about condolence, go out to this and condolence, go out to that. Jamaica people, wake up. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but one can free our mind. Won't you seek for the tonic energy? None of them can stop with this act. Won't you help me see? Jamaica people come like me. They do like Jamaica sleep hour. Jamaica been sleeping. Jamaica people come like on the north where I go. Them said when this thing come out in the first place, them said cannot survive in the hot country them. But yes, still Jamaica have 500 and plus confirmed case. 500 and plus confirmed case, And them a lockdown people. Them a do this to people. And them a do that to people. Hear this you know. We hear this you know. A long time ghetto people are suffer. A long time ghetto people are suffer Jamaica, You see, and how much mad people. Mad people they on the street and nobody at all make say all you beg to the government to take out the mad people from downtown Kingston. You see? All you beg, to check out the mad people them out and development downtown Kingston. You see? And development St. Thomas. You see? Them men that used to take them out. But now after this COVID-19 come up, them find place. People, honestly, when COVID-19 come up, them find place to take off all of them people and now one snap of a finger. So where the money they come from? Or where the place they there all the time? All of this 10,000 where them are doing, all of the people in that Jamaica where suffer. Even the one them where work at Riverton, is it? Where suffer, touch from Riverton, man. So even the one them out of Riverton, the one that live with them in the street, why car glass we are living. So comes Jamaica just and suddenly so get rich. And ting Jamaica get rich. That everybody cannot get 10,000 while look a bag of food and all. And where this money, where this was all the time and they say Jamaica bankrupt. You see? Them say Jamaica bankrupt and indebted and Jamaica now have no money. So how can a sudden money come? Oh, farmer sudden money come, me hear twins that eat some pint and some people not stop fight the youth them. You see? Twins them eat some pint, and then I stop fight the youth them. You see? Me hear this brother where them call Crawford that eat some pint and not stop but the thing about it. I could wipe out all of them father. Me hear them say out of the fool. And I mean say no about this, out of the fool I became wise. So Jamaica people are one away to get wise. My country, Jamaica, what waiting and to get wise. Everybody said Donald Trump an idiot, Everybody said Donald Trump. Because myself is a Trump, I tell her. Everybody said Donald Trump an idiot. And you see, Donald Trump could have gone to talk all of them things and do all of them things that Africa self get wise now. To the African them lick out say them nah take no vaccine or else. Jamaica people I won't have to sleep. Mr. Beanie Man and Bounty Killer have 500,000 people, I listen to them now for that it became a million because them share it. After it done, it became a million and more because you know how much time people share this thing. You know how much time people share Bounty Killer and Beanie Man doings. People wake up and see what go on, then they just lock down Vybz Kartel, because they want to lock down Vybz Kartel, or because they know that Vybz Kartel do no murder. You see, them laugh at Vybz Kartel because they know that Vybz Kartel is influential to the people of Jamaica. You see, them know that Vybz Kartel is influential to the people of Jamaica. That's why they lock down Vybz Kartel. And then Ninja Man now him love take press. So if Ninja Man now come up with that thing, them fear Ninja Man because they know that Ninja Man talk too much and he talk too plain. So they make sure lock him down too. Jamaica people, when they hear them saying that kill out the Dan, them and take them out of Jamaica, it just was this, everything I planned for. It was this, the people have been planning. This, the people have been planning, and I look at thing again, I'm going to explain to the people. Jamaica, the only thing Jamaicans own right now is themselves and them pitney and the tax office of Jamaica. Luckily, any day the tax office sell out or they find out a way to sell the tax office. You see, there is no more Jamaica. The airport, you know, rent out for 30 years, you know, we not even know for no more. Behind Jamaica and that we not even know. You see, the wharf itself done by China with behind Jamaica and back. You never go on the stock market, you know. So nobody know what see on the stock market say that with the action or not at all, you know. It just go behind every Jamaican back without nobody know. You see, because what? Them claim we say Jamaican dons. But ghetto people, Jamaican ghetto people, street people, and we're inside of the street. You see, we have the brains. You see, because education will make you bright, you know. Education will make you try to take people, but turn people in a fool. But oh, beyond today. Some of you know wicked ass people who feel that, for instance, say, no soul, one last and last forever. God have mercy upon our doings, you know. Alright, we want to find out how much money Jamaica have. Me say this is a message for Jamaica, you know. Jamaica, the Almighty want to find out how much money you have. Because Jamaica in place, you know. We want to find out how much money you have. You see this area? This area we are going to send you a back-to-back hurricane. We are going to find out how much money Jamaica have. We are going to find out and show you say Jamaica have a God place. Now for you people who are doing no doings now, to Jamaica, I'm going to accept 666. And I draw whosoever wanna draw in Jamaica, if you come own Jamaica and another for them Jamaica. God won Jamaica, God rest in peace. So remember me tell you, today are the 26th of May or the 27th of May. I'm not sure exactly what the date, because my head gone. I was gone. You see? But Jamaica, God are going to go on a back-to-back hurricane this year. And we want to find out if you have money on the pocket, bro. When I big up on yourself, and I don't know the thing self. You see, it's all about freedom to the people and to the people.